Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set aspect ratio on Adobe Firefly. Aspect ratio controls the shape and size of your image, for example square, vertical or wide. Choosing the right aspect ratio is important because different platforms, Instagram, YouTube, posters, etc. requires different formats, and in Adobe Firefly you can easily set the aspect ratio before generating your image. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer. After that, in the top there's an address bar. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And once you get into this Adobe Firefly interface, what you can do is you need to find the aspect ratio. So simply go to your more icon here and your editing interface will be maximized. So what you can do is you need to find the aspect ratio. In the left hand side we can find there's an option for the aspect ratio. Click onto this here, and over here you can find all of the available options here. You can find the cinematic, banner, panorama, ultra wide. Select one of the ratio that you want to where you'll use the image, and after that you can generate the image anytime on the bottom. And setting the aspect ratio on the Adobe Firefly is simple and essential for creating platform-ready design. Just choose the right format before generating your image. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.